Is your camera recording?
Mm-hmm.
Now my camera's recording your camera.
Oh. I was wondering. I'm going to stand over there. All right, why don't you guys come with me? We'll get a picture. That guy that never takes his helmet off. I am today. And we get to the autocross and we'd never take his helmet off. After he put his helmet on, never came off. All right, let's go.
Come on.
Do I still have you, Justin?
Yep.
All right.
I'm following Doug.
I think Doug would probably win in a low-speed race.
Probably. Ah!
Oh, you got the foot down.
There he is. Our fearless leader. All right, go, boys, go.
That Red Bull was well needed.
Yes.
Hopefully it kicks in. And then
Mine's already kicking in. Ooh, what's happening?
I don't know.
So, you come around here often?
Yeah, you know. Yep.
Thank you.
All right. Cool beat. Technical difficulties, you know, it happens.
There we go. Now the charger won't come undone.
Perfect.
Hi. Hi, buddy.
How are you?
Why are they on strike?
I don't know. I was going to say I tried reading their sign, but it really didn't make any sense. Oh wow, that's a lot of pink. Station 27. Got a little more too. I like it.
I think I'm gonna sleep pretty good tonight.
Oh yeah.
I hope I can.
A little bit of gravel.
Yeah, I can see that.
Pedestrian on the right.
He did not look happy.
No. Not a happy looking guy.
He said, my wife says I need to go walk.
He says my wife says I need to walk.
Oh, what do we got here?
How you doing back there, Justin?
I'm fine.
And we're back. Sorry about that, folks. lost battery charge, so I stopped recording. But I am back. I am not connected with the other guys yet, though. I can try pushing buttons. See what happens. And I'm back.
Oh, this would be a perfect place for Wes to get some pics.
Oh, how did I do that? Am I connected with
Oh my God! Hey, Doug.
I got in the other group. How did I do that?
Hi, Doug!
What is going on?
Well, Alberto disconnected from the group, so you must be connected to Justin.
Sorry about that, guys.
It's okay. Welcome.
Well, Berto's talking to his wife, so he didn't want to be part of the group anyway. So.
All right.
Doug, do you have a 64 gig SD card in?
Yes.
Yeah. I just ran out like 5 minutes ago.
Okay. Well, how are you guys doing?
We're good.
Fantastic.
It's an awesome ride today.
Oh my God, it's awesome.
Here we are. We are at Hanging Rock.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow. That is really cool.
Come up here and hang out at Hanging Rock. Now I got connected with you guys, and I got to shut off again.
Or, you can just stay connected to us.
Well, it might end up doing that.
Come over to the dark side.
We're gonna go hang out at Hanging Rock.
High Rock.
Oh, High Rock.
Yeah. Hanging Rock is in Virginia.
Yes, Hanging Rock's in Virginia.
I'm
So
guessing
what do you
he-
do at High Rock then? Ah! All right, folks, check this out. It's crazy, isn't it?
It's awesome, man. This is awesome.
I can see all the way over there.
I can see all the way over there.
All the way.
All the way over there.
Yeah.
Where's the ice cream place? You can actually see it from here, right?
I know you can see here from the ice cream place.
Well, then it stands to reason.
Because I remember seeing this from the ice cream place. It's on that road right there, right? I think.
Misty Meadow Park Cameron is slightly that way.
Oh, it's over that way. Okay.
You see that 360-degree shot from up there.
Nice.
What did this used to be?
This was a hang gliding launch
This is like really
that when they put the flight restriction over in Camp David,
being on this huge rock thing.
or expanded it to what it is constantly
You
always.
know what's next?
What's next?
Here at High Rock. What's next?
Low Rock?
Ice cream!
Ice cream! As well it should be. Low Rock? I didn't know if it was a trick question. He's making, because you guys can't hear it, he's making up all these historical facts and going, oh yeah.